case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Drama unfolded in a court case back in 1966 between Connecticut Fire Insurance and their policyholders, identified as the Foxes. Amid allegations of arson, escalating tensions, and accusations of negligence, the case played out in the United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit and amassed significant attention for its surprising legal twists and turns. At the heart of the matter was a fire insurance claim lodged by the Foxes for their motel premises that suffered extensive damages due to a fire, suspected to be a result of arson. Amid their distress, the Foxes found themselves embroiled in what they alleged was negligence from their insurer, Connecticut Fire, and the General Adjustment Bureau, Inc., their assigned adjuster. In the initial court deliberation, the jury found both insurance entities at fault, slapping them with a hefty $92,000 payout. Disgruntled and unpersuaded by the jury's decision, Connecticut Fire launched an appeal. They raised several contentions, including untimely submission of the proof of loss by the Foxes, erroneous burden of proof instructions, and defective verdict forms. The appeal granted both entities a partial reprieve, with the court finding no evidence of negligence against General Adjustment Bureau. This overturned the original verdict against them. However, Connecticut Fire fared less favorably. Key to the court's final decision was the controversial non-waiver agreement, initially resisted but eventually signed by the Foxes. The agreement stipulated that the insurer's investigation into the loss wouldn't waive any policy conditions. While the appeal court acknowledged this agreement, it highlighted that Connecticut Fire, via their adjuster, exceeded the investigation scope permitted by this agreement. By extending the time for filing proof of loss and rejecting the Foxes' substantiation of their losses, the insurer was found to have effectively waived their rights under the non-waiver agreement. This left them liable under their insurance contract, a finding the court deemed a harmless error under Rule 61. In a final roller coaster twist, the appeals court reversed the judgment against General Adjustment Bureau and upheld the adverse finding against Connecticut Fire. Two divergent outcomes reflecting the complex and convoluted nature of this dramatic case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.